Hello, team. It's Sunday, and as I promised you, last week or like 10 days ago, I wanted to complete the trading plan playlist um, video series because the one I made about discipline and risk management was a kind of, I don't know, I felt like I did like too much in a rush, and I don't know, I didn't like it, so I'm making it again. And yeah, this is like the last part of my trading plan. The trading plan I posted many times. We talked about the analysis of the price action, how I execute, the rules I have to go counter or pro trend. And now it's kind of the last part, which is risk and money management. Okay, this is my trading plan for in the whole. And today I talk about this. I don't want to go to charts, so it's gonna be only about concept and ideas that I use for to control myself. First of all, there is something I want to tell you. I think many people doesn't talk about risk management and money management. Well, because it's quite a personal topic. It's private. I don't know your economic situation. You don't know mine. I don't know if you got kids. I don't know if you got like an extra job that make you like a nice income per month. I cannot know what's going on in your mind, you know? Like I can tell you like about price action because what I see it's pretty much what you see. Okay? Even though it's not really true. But okay. I tell you like, hey, this candle is green, this candle is green. But when it's about money, this topic should it's like really private. Okay, so how I am arrived to the rules that I got today, trial and errors. Okay, like fucking things up like so many times, blowing accounts, blowing challenges, doing stupid things, regretting, trying to fix, like, and every time I try to journal what I did wrong, what I did well, when I feel good, when I felt bad. And after like years of experience, trial and errors, I arrived to my rules, which are still not fixed. Like from time to time, like I don't know, every 5, 4, 6 months, something come out, and I feel like okay, maybe I can do this better, and I slightly change it. Now I don't do this anymore. Like I'm pretty okay with these rules, but you know they can still be changed at any time. So where do I take these ideas? Well, most of podcasts, books, like other traders talking around in Discord servers, watching videos. There are like few books that I really want to recommend if you guys like to read. This book is full of good example and strategies to keep your discipline in check. The Mental Game of Trading. I think this guy did an excellent job. He give you like 10, 15 strategies to keep things in check, like many way to fix your discipline issues. I think that you don't have to follow them all. I think you should be able to recognize the one that help you in the situation that you are, and just apply those ones, like not the whole book. Okay. Then this one is another amazing book that I loved for discipline, and actually Brett Steenbarger have like few other books that are like really good, and I recommend to read all of them. Yeah, this one is amazing, The Daily Trading Coach. I think this one I read like one lesson like each day for 3 months, trying to really make them mine. Also this one is good, Trading Psychology 2.0. Yeah, I like all his books. I read several times, not once. And then like a classic, which is Trading in the Zone from the GOAT, Mark Douglas. Yeah, he also has like other books that you should read if you like trading and discipline. The Discipline Trader is amazing. And then there was another one that I really like it. I think it's The Complete Trader. Yeah, I don't know now, but yeah. So these 3 books plus all the other ones related to them, I think are the books that helped me the most to keep my discipline in check, which is still like not where I want it to be, but at least it's much better than myself a few years ago. Okay, so let's go to my trading plan and talk about it. Okay, first rule I want to talk is this one: max daily drawdown can't exceed 2%. Yeah, 2 losses in a row, day is over. 2 bullets per day is maximum I have. So I don't like to lose more than 2% in a day. Usually I quit at 1%, like, which is 1 loss, because the most time of the year I'm trading London Open only. So when I take like 1 loss in the session, I'm kind of done, unless I have really strong bias. And I think, like, I don't know if you realize, like, sometimes, like I say, like, when I entered in a trade, I say, like, okay, if I take a loss, I'm gonna look for another short more in premium, because I really have like strong short bias. So these days I can take 2 losses or just 2 trade, but usually 1 trade I'm done for the day. 2 is the maximum. How do I control this? I also explained, like, in another, I think in a blog post. I purchased, I don't know, I bought this thing, which is a risk manager. Yeah, I activated everywhere. Okay, so risk manager is like an expert advisor for MT5. Well, I'm not sponsoring, I'm not affiliate. I have, I mean, I don't recommend it to you to use the same. I'm just telling you what I use. So if you decide to use it, please do on your own risk, do your own research. Don't trust me blindly because I'm using it. You should make your own research. It has a good reviews. I'm using since couple years, and it's okay. So basically help you set up how many trades you want to do per day, how much you want to lose, and then when you reach the limit, it stops your MT5 until the day after. For me, it works like magic. I love it. Of course, you can still cheat because you can disable the expert advisor, but I don't do this. Okay, I used to try to do these things, but I don't do this anymore. There are ways to stop the cheating, like, I don't know, like you rent a VPS, you give the password to your friends. I mean, it's really kind of mechanic and complicated. I don't know if it's worth the thing, because it's like extra money, collateral damage. I don't know, it's like getting too complicated. I think you can just buy, try. I think there is like the free version for a few days, probably. I don't know. And maybe you can just like buy for a few days or something like this. And I don't know. I loved it. I love it. I use it like daily, and it locked me out when I take more than 2 losses. My account is like locked out. Okay, MT5 closes. Okay, on my computer, so I cannot trade anymore. It's just a good reminder that, hey, Francesco, you reached your 2 losses per day, or like your trading limit. That's it. You're out. That's it. Okay, so first one is gone. Second rule that I have here: after a loss, take a break. 5 minutes locked out, mandatory. Okay, you cannot see my desk here. I have like I have one of these, okay, similar to this, which is 5 minutes, lasts for 5 minutes. I have on my desk. When I take a loss, I turn it upside down and I wait. And why I do that? Because I found out that many times I don't do this anymore, because now I'm kind of growing up, learning, okay? But I used to take like a revenge trade instantly, and then I finish my 2-day bullets, and I am like pissed to myself because I don't have any more chances to recover my loss or to keep trading when I have strong biases. So now I turn these things upside down. I wait 5 minutes, and as soon as I'm cold, like I'm little bit resetted, I can think better, and I can look for another opportunity, but not to make the money back that I lost before, just because market offer like 2, 3, 5 times like a good trade a day if you patient enough to wait the good ones. Okay, so this is another one. that I really like it, and I solved it with a simple stupid thing. Of course you can take a trade even before that one is completed, but I don't do that anymore. Okay, as I said before, sometimes I have strong bias. For example, I want a short and I'm not completely sure about the M1 setup. Okay, so if I take a loss, I can trade again on the same trade idea, but only if I like really have strong bias, but risking half of what I risked before. Usually my risk is 1%, so if I trade like after 3 hours on a different idea, it's fine to risk another time 1%. But if I trade on the same idea, I can trade only if I risk half of it. Okay, because I'm not willing to take like 2% loss on the same idea, because maybe it's wrong and I'm stupid. So many times I take another trade, risk half of it, make it back what I did before, like 3 hours, and I make like 1.5%. So I recover my loss and plus I make some, and I'm happy. I'm happy like this. Okay. I think I posted many times that I enter again with a smaller risk on my trade review. So if you follow me, you should know. Okay, another good one. If I lack in discipline, example revenge, the next trade must be skipped. Why I do so? I found out that when I start to lack on discipline, things go south. Okay, so it's not like I think willpower is like finite. Okay, it's not. I believe, because I read in books, listen in podcasts. There are like researchers about this. So when you start to lack on the discipline, if you take a day to recover your willpower, to feel like recharged, the day after you get, like 2 days after, you have a lot of discipline again. Instead, if you lack today on discipline, today you're probably gonna lack even more, and you're gonna fuck things up. It's like the same on a diet, you know. If you're on a diet now and you eat like a chocolate bar, then you say like, fuck, I already ate a chocolate bar. Now the diet is gone. Let's eat like an hamburger, you know, or like, I don't know, like a cake. And then you say like, yeah, I fucked up. Now diet is gone. Let's eat whatever they came. Instead, if you take a day extra, no, of pause to reset your mind, and you say like, yes, yesterday I ate the chocolate bar, but today I behaved. Tomorrow I want to go back on track. I feel like I can do this. Okay, it works on me. I don't know if it will work on you, but I love this rule. If I do like revenge trade for whatever reason tomorrow on a trade, then for example today's Sunday, okay, so let's say I trade Monday, I take a loss, I do revenge trade, and I take another loss with 0.5 risk just because I was stupid and I wanted to make it back. Then Tuesday I don't trade, maybe I can demo, I can paper trade, or I stay away from chart completely, and then Wednesday I'm fully reset, recovered all my energy, my discipline, and I can start trading again. Okay, this is all one rule, which is basically how much I can risk per setup. I think I explain I don't know if I ever show you this. This is like my playbook, the kind of setup I have. I don't know if I show you, but I don't think there's anything. Confirmation, coil, stacking, which is the curve. So basically how much I can risk every setup, because stacking curve is like my favorite. I can risk 1.5, confirmation 1, coil 0.5%. And then the last one is this one about the drawdown. So basically, if let's say my account is 10,000, if I go to 9.5, I have to start to risk half again until I'm back break even. So it's about like how much I risk when the drawdown starts. This is stupid simple, everybody do that, everybody recommend it, so I don't think it's anything really to go in depth. So guys, that's it. I feel like I really explained in detail all my trading plan. I hope this video series will help you. I will keep doing like some technical analysis video, not only the daily review. I will do like I think I want to do the inside candle video. I will start to do like some concept video about price action that I use, concept price action ideas, you know, like for example the flat low or top of a candle, all these things. But the trading plan is complete. I don't know, maybe in the future, if I see that some of the video is kind of my part of the trading plan changed, maybe I can update the videos, but for now I feel this is like a lot of work, and I don't want to go on any of these topics anymore anytime soon. That's it, guys. I wish you a nice Sundays, and I talk to you soon with the new Euro USD videos. Bye bye.